Hi friends, welcome to the channel The Basics. Do you know what ChatGPT is and how it works? Well, before we go to know ChatGPT, let's understand artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that involves creating machines or computer programs. The aim is to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes tasks such as understanding language, recognizing patterns, problem solving, and making decisions. Think of Siri or Alexa, which are virtual assistants that use artificial intelligence to respond to your voice commands and provide information. In simple terms, artificial intelligence is about making computers smart and capable of performing tasks that were once only possible for humans. Machine learning, on the other hand, is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on teaching computers to learn from data, rather than being explicitly programmed to perform a specific task. In other words, it's about teaching computers to identify patterns in data and using those patterns to make predictions about future events. So, artificial intelligence's overall goal of creating machines that can perform tasks that require human intelligence. And machine learning is a way to achieve that goal by teaching computers to learn from data. Now, coming back to ChatGPT, it is a type of computer program that uses artificial intelligence and machine learning, both, to have conversations with humans. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and it is a type of artificial intelligence model that is used to generate text. Think of ChatGPT as a virtual friend that you can chat with. You type in a question or a statement, and ChatGPT will respond back with an answer or a reply. Here's a step-by-step process of how ChatGPT works. 1. Input. A user inputs a question or a prompt in natural language. 2. Encoding. The input is converted into a mathematical representation, also known as embedding, which is fed into the neural network. Neural network is similar to network of neurons in our brain. It is a type of machine learning process, and uses interconnected nodes or neurons that resembles the human brain. Encoding is a process in which we convert data into a digital format that computers can understand. In the case of ChatGPT, the data is language text, and the encoding helps the model to understand and respond to the user's text. Let's say you type a sentence, "What is the weather like in London today?" The encoding process in ChatGPT will convert this sentence into a numerical representation that the model can understand. This representation is called a vector, and each word in the sentence will have a unique vector representation. So, in this example, words like "what is the weather like in London today" will be converted into numerical representations. And the ChatGPT will use these vectors to understand the meaning of the sentence and respond accordingly. 3. Attention mechanism. The model uses an attention mechanism to identify the most relevant information in the input sequence and focuses on it to generate the response. It is to focus on the most relevant words in a sentence and use this information to generate a response that is more accurate and relevant. Imagine you are chatting with a friend and they ask you a question like, "What did you do yesterday?" In this situation, your attention is focused on the question asked by your friend. And to answer their question, you need to think about what you did yesterday and then respond accordingly. Similarly, in ChatGPT, the attention mechanism works by focusing on the inputs given to the model and giving importance to specific parts of the input. This way, the model can provide a more relevant and accurate response. For example, if the input to ChatGPT is "What did you do yesterday?" the attention mechanism will focus on the words "what" and "yesterday." Based on these words, the model can then generate a response that answers the question about what was done yesterday. In short, the attention mechanism in ChatGPT works by focusing on specific parts of the input, allowing the model to provide more relevant and accurate responses. 4. Decoding. The model then uses the encoded input and the attention mechanism to generate the response in natural language. Decoding is the reverse of encoding. 5. Output. The final output is a generated response in the form of text. ChatGPT model is trained on a large amount of text data, which allows it to generate responses that are similar to what a human might say. The pre-training step helps the model to have a better understanding of the language and its rules. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a highly sophisticated artificial intelligence system that can generate human-like responses to natural language input. It is a powerful tool for various applications, including chatbots and customer service systems, education and entertainment. Hope you have enjoyed the learning basics of ChatGPT. Please click like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.